Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would show you guys what I'm packing for my next adventure. I'm going to Portugal for about 3 weeks and then I'm going to be traveling around Europe for a few weeks after that. I don't have my return ticket as usual, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be away for about 6 weeks. So this is every single thing that I'm packing in my backpack. I'm not showing you guys what I pack in my carry-on because I showed all of that in my last packing video and it's pretty much the same thing, just a bunch of camera gear. I tried to pack super light this time. In total, my bag weighs 8 kilograms, so technically I can take my backpack as a carry-on. I'm just not sure whether the very budget airlines that I fly will allow my backpack to be a carry-on because it's kind of tall, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to take it as carry-on. If not, that's okay. But I guess we'll just get into it. Okay, so starting with clothes, the first thing that I'm bringing is one pair of basic, comfortable jeans. These ones are from Redone and they're just easy to travel in and go with pretty much everything. And then I have one pair of plain vintage Levi's shorts. I pretty much live in these and I'll probably be wearing these 95% of the time. Moving on into tops, I have this one plain t-shirt from Aerie, just super basic, love the neutral color. And then I'm bringing this graphic tank. It's a little bit oversized, super soft, and just the perfect thing to throw on whenever. And then again, just another basic tank top, also from Aerie. I wear this tank top all the freaking time. And now for maybe a more interesting top, I'm bringing this white kind of blousey shirt. Love this one. And next I have this top from Free People. I thought this would be perfect for going out or just wearing to the beach. And the last top I have is this black shirt, also from Free People. It can be worn off the shoulder, perfect for day or night. And that, my friends, is all of the clothes I'm bringing. Just kidding, I have a few more pieces, but these are definitely my basics and the things I'll be wearing most of the time. It's not much, but it's definitely all I need. So I'm just packing all of those up in a packing cube from Amazon. It's just the Amazon Basics brand. And we can move on to our next set of things. So now I just have a few dresses and other things to add. First, I have this beautiful dress from C New York, definitely the most elegant thing I'm bringing and also my favorite. And then I have this beach cover-up. I'm not sure the brand, it's from a boutique in my town, but love this style. It's perfect for the beach. Next, I have this dress that's from Lovers and Friends. I've had this for years. It's definitely a classic. It just doesn't get old and it's surprisingly comfortable for travel. Now, in case it gets a bit chilly, which right now it's 90 degrees in Portugal, so we'll see. But I have this jean jacket. It's from Costa Rica, just great to throw on pretty much over anything. And then I have my favorite sweatshirt of all time. It says Pizzatarian. It's from Wild Fox. It's so cozy. Probably gonna wear that on the plane. Next, I'm bringing a few swimsuits. So I have this one piece, it's from Redone and Solid and Striped. And then I have a bikini from one of those sketchy cheap online websites that I no longer support, but still have a few suits from. And that will be everything that I'm packing in my second packing cube. 2 out of 3. Also, as you'll notice, I don't really have too much of a technique when it comes to folding and packing away the clothes. I kind of just throw them in the way they are because I know they're going to get messed up after the first day anyways. They basically just turn into my messy drawers. But moving on to our last few clothing items, I'm bringing one pair of yoga pants. These are Lululemon, just black, high-waisted, basic. Then I have these cargo-ish, legging-ish pants from Free People, which I probably don't actually need, but I just want to wear them because they're new. And then I'm bringing one pair of pajamas, just some sleep shorts and a tank top, both from Aerie. And then, of course, some underwear. I'm bringing 6 or 7 pairs, a few comfortable bras, and some socks. So that's officially all of the clothes I'm bringing. And now moving on into toiletries. I'm bringing deodorant, my toothbrush, charger, daily moisturizer, hairbrush, natural sunscreen, vitamins, my razor, shampoo and conditioner, some random hair accessories, and then a little storage case to keep everything a little more organized. I almost always put my shampoo and conditioner inside a little pouch of some sort because I feel like those are always the things that explode inside my bag. It's happened many times. And then we have some makeup, and I honestly didn't really plan out this part that well. I kind of just, as you can see, pour my makeup bag all over the floor and hope for the best. But these are the products that pretty much live in my makeup bag and travel with me. So we have a skin tint, concealer, powder, mascara. I don't even use half of these on a daily basis, but I just like to have options, you know? So now for the accessories I'm bringing, I have a pair of sunglasses, hoop earrings, a few different necklaces, just a few simple pieces that I know I'll wear. I have my mala beads and my shell necklace that I made out of shells I found in Bali. There's a video on that if you're interested. But those are the last things to go in the third and final packing cube. I accidentally packed the green pants away, but I'm planning on wearing those on the plane, so I'll have a little bit more room in here. But I also wanted to add that normally I would put the sunscreen together with my shampoo in a little bag, but it's brand new and still has the seal on it, so I don't think it'll be a problem. And now for the shoes I'm taking, I'm bringing my Birkenstocks, a pair of comfortable sneakers, and my hiking boots. And that is officially everything that I'm bringing. So now it's just time to pack that all away in my backpack. I use this 55-liter North Face backpack. It's been all around the world with me, and at this point I definitely prefer to take a backpack over a suitcase, almost always, because it's just so much easier to have everything on your back, especially when you're moving around a lot, walking through the streets, changing accommodations, and just traveling around. This bag can definitely fit way more than I'm bringing, and because I'm trying to bring it as a carry-on, I tried to tighten all the straps and make it as small as possible. And that is everything that I'm bringing on my next trip. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely look out for some travel videos coming soon. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!